Good morning, everyone. And today, this is Ali Raza, and I just wanted to discuss with you on, are you facing an account blocked error on your Payoneer account, or your account is getting suspended, it's on hold, or you're trying to log in, but the Payoneer is saying your account is restricted. Have you ever been gone through this kind of error or issue? I know it's very frustrating for someone who has an account on Payoneer, or who has an active fund in his account, and suddenly see such an error, and it causes a lot of problems, and you get surprised on what happened. The same case was happened with me, and I have been passed through a tough phase. Due to this, I'm just sharing my opinion on why Payoneer suspend accounts, what can be the possible reasons, and how possibly you can restore your account. I was able to get it restored my account. So just sharing my observations regarding Payoneer. Since when my account was suspended, I learned a lot about why Payoneer accounts get suspended, what can be the possible reasons. I just had a complete mind vision on what kind of transactions I did on Payoneer, how I used to log in. I memorized, and I thought about every possible way on how I use Payoneer and how it can affect my account. Luckily, my account was given back to me. It was just a manual review, and my account was restricted for a few days. My account funds were freezed, but it was less than a week. I was able to get my account back. Here are few strategies, few reasons I'm going to discuss in this video. So, first and foremost thing is, you need to read the legal information about what is Payoneer, how does it work. For those who don't know, Payoneer is an active transactional system just like PayPal, through which you can receive or send money whenever you are dealing online, and you can receive money just like a PayPal, because PayPal is not almost available in every country. Many people prefer Payoneer. And even in those countries where PayPal is available, Payoneer has its own preferences and has its own preferred number of customers due to their own range of benefits. But right now, the question is, let's start with the first question. Does Payoneer block accounts? The hard truth, yes, they do. Payoneer block or restricts accounts on many reasons. Sometimes if you are trying to attempt with the wrong credentials, wrong username or password, your account can be suddenly suspended, but it's just a temporary suspension. It gets removed automatically with a few minutes or few hours specific time. The second, another reason why Payoneer suspend account is if you are trying to create another Payoneer account with your same details, such as your NIC credentials, your national identification number, your passport, driving license. If you already have an account and you are trying to create another account with the same details, Payoneer is going to suspend your account right away. Payoneer will block your account. Why? Because Payoneer do not allow a user to have multiple accounts. Another possible reason can be doing crypto transactions. When my account suspended, I oversee all of the transactions. Luckily, I didn't did it, but I came to know that if you are using your Payoneer card to do transactions like buying or selling cryptocurrencies, your account can get suspended. People accounts have suspended. Not everyone account is suspended, but majority of the time it gets suspended, because Payoneer doesn't allow such thing. So the question is, can I buy cryptocurrencies with the Payoneer card? No, you cannot. They do not allow it. Payoneer doesn't support any cryptocurrencies. Why they do not, that is a separate discussion for a separate day, but right now I'm just trying to explain it. If you are using Payoneer to do forex exchange transactions, if you are doing you buying or selling Payoneer just for the sole of earning through currency exchanges, Payoneer doesn't allow that either. Like if you are buying Payoneer from someone in other and selling it to someone, or doing vice versa, Payoneer does not allow this thing. If you are using your Payoneer account funds or their card or their account to do any illegal activity, any adult services or entertainment services, even either they do not allow it. If you are using for gambling, even for affiliate marketing for gambling, they do not allow it. Adult products marketing, they do not allow it. For CBD, they do not allow it. For forex exchange, even for affiliate for forex, they do not allow it. If you are using Payoneer and accepting or receiving money or using their card for counterfeit or copyright infringement products or services, they do not allow it. Your account can get suspended. If you are using it for pyramid schemes or get rich quick schemes, again they are not gonna allow it. Also, Payoneer has listed on their prohibited transactions on their prohibited transaction Payoneer page on what kind of a transactions they can allow and what they do not allow. But they have written, even for those services which are not allowed, they may pre-approve the use of Payoneer services in connection with some of the above following review and examination of circumstances. So it's all subject to sole discretion of Payoneer. So we need to understand on this. Other possible reasons on why Payoneer can suspend account is unconfirmed information. If your account is not verified, luckily, about a few months ago, I got an email from Payoneer, like I have a month to verify my details again. They asked for my home address verification through a utility bill. They asked for my NIC details, and they asked for live proof of conversation with a client, something live billing, live chat conversation, and when I submitted them, they disapproved it. But later on, I submitted them again because it was the reason because I was not able to give the information in one image while they were asking only for image. So I had to edit the image and combine two images in one image, and then it was approved. So in case if you have unconfirmed information, your account can get suspended again. If I haven't done that or fulfilled that information 30 days, my account could have been suspended. But that number of days can vary from account's nature to everyone. It is 30 days for me, it can be 7 days for you, or it can be immediately for you. Like, you can't do it unless and until you fulfill your information on who are you, why you're using it. They can ask any detail. For me, they asked my driving license. For me, they asked my utility bills. For me, they asked a live conversation with the client. So it can vary. Other reasons can include, such as if Payoneer gets suspicious about your account activity, you suddenly get login from a new country, new area of the world which you have never been there before. Payoneer may be suspicious. If the account is hacked, they can temporarily lock your account. This can be another reason. If you have put in your security question answer wrongly for 3 times or more, again they can hold your account, and you may need to submit your birth date and ID number to get it restored. Again, it happens. It happens with any field, any financial application use or services use. The policies can be up and down. It can be similar. Other question is, well, my account get closed if I do not use it for an extended period of time. Unfortunately, yes. Payoneer has a service. Payoneer policy says that if you do not use an account for a specific time, your account can be restricted or hold or suspended. You can get it restored. The procedure is very easy. All you have to do is you have to log into your account again, and you will be provided with instructions on how to reactivate your account again. Can you reopen a closed Payoneer account? Yes. Simple answer is yes, you can. Yes, you can. You just need to provide them with your full name, date of birth, and address in your email. Highlight that you wish to reopen your account, and they're gonna suspend your account easily. So my next question is, I just discussed why Payoneer suspend accounts. Apologies if I'm just repeating the word PayPal again. PayPal is one of the very famous competitor for Payoneer. But right now, discussing with Payoneer on how do I fix or unblock Payoneer account. That is the question, very important question I need to answer. Why? Because I have been going through this specific stage, this specific phase, and do not want you to go through it. So I'm just sharing my experience with you. So how I can get my Payoneer account fixed? Very easy. There are 2 ways through which you can get it. The number one is Payoneer customer support. When I say Payoneer customer support, what people do usually mean is just sending them an email. They receive hundreds of emails a day. Emails does not always get as much importance as much a call do, or a live chat with their representative can do. So 2 options are very good: live chat with them or calling them on their phone number. This can bring immense results if your account is suspended or on hold, or can quick your case, or can escalate your case so that it can be solved immediately. So I mean, you need to be explained, you need to be descriptive, explanative, you need to explain them what is your nature of business, how do you receive transactions, what kind of how long you have been using Payoneer, how it's helping your business, what sort of error you got, why you got, and how you are losing your business due to this suspension. You need to be as descriptive as possible. Talk them on phone, they will feel they are real, you are real, and yet your issue will get escalated immediately. Another way which I have found which works with some people also, what I did was I did a live chat, and I did call them, and it worked for me. My account got unsuspended quickly. By quickly, it doesn't mean like they were just waiting for my call and after call they immediately restored my account. No, even after call it took them 2 days, but before that it was suspended for around 5 to 7 days before I called them, because I was easy, like I haven't done anything wrong. Yeah, I did go through all of the possible terms and conditions, or if I have violated anything, but when I was comfortable that I didn't violate it, I was easy. But when after 5 days, when one of I wasn't able to receive a payment through to checkout due to my account was being inactive and my payment got hold, and the business circulation requires money, so which is why I called them and had a live chat with one of the representative and explained them, look, this is I'm losing my business due to this, so you need to be quickly escalate my issue, and they did it. Another possible way is reaching them out on their Twitter account. Yes, it can work. Reaching them out on their Twitter account and asking on how your account got suspended, and what issues are there, if there requires any issues, or if there requires any fixings. Sometimes you don't even realize you had an old account and they just find a link between your old account and new account, and your both accounts can get suspended. So all you just need to is to ask their support, and they're going to help you out with it, because they do not allow multiple accounts. I told you it can be another profited transactions which are not allowed to do, sometimes unconfirmed information, sometimes login from a new place, sometimes someone is trying to log in into your account by doing incorrect entries of your password. So the reasons can be many, and I just try to discuss. It's not difficult to get your account suspended. All you just need to is to follow what I did, and you can do it as well, and you can get it. You should. And the last thing that is very important, and you need to be very, very patient with whatever you do. Patience is the key in getting your Payoneer account restored. Hope you like my video. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions or concerns, you are more than welcome. If you have any question related to Payoneer account suspension, you are more than welcome to ask or write in comment section. You can also share your Payoneer suspension story in comment section on how your Payoneer account was get restored, or what strategies you use, or if I'm missing something in this video and you wanted to add a value, you are more than welcome to add through comment section. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching it out, and bye bye.